Fox Family Features. 3 magic words. Your ticket to a whole world of family entertainment. When it says Fox Family Features on the box, here's what you can expect inside.
Adventure!
I'm a cartoon.
Think what it would mean if I could talk to the animals. Terribly exciting.
Mom, watch this. Wait!
Can we have this dog?
Whoa, it's a heck of a handshake you got there, Ed.
Those things are cool.
Can I bring show and tell on Monday?
You ain't gonna crawl away from this one.
I can see it's a miracle.
Start the show with a name you know. Fox Family Features.
I think you should just come home with me.
Everyone's favorites. Every time.